Here's how to convert an iPhone video to slow motion. Now, if you took a video on your camera on your iPhone and you wanted it in slow motion, there's always an easy way to do so. So basically, we'll have to use a third-party app, but it's an app that most everybody has on their iPhone. We're going to use Instagram for this. So just tap on Instagram here, and we're going to swipe to the right. Now, at the very bottom here, you can see Story, and we're going to go to Reel. And let's hit start new video. I'm going to tap the plus at the bottom left here, and I'm just going to choose a random video on here to slow down. So I'm going to choose this one as my video. The nice thing is where it says 1x speed, I can just tap that and slow it down, say 0.3x, which will automatically slow down this video. I can hit add at the top right, and then I can hit next. Now, the nice thing is I don't necessarily need to publish this, post it as a reel. All I have to do is tap that little save button at the top left, and it will save the slowed down, slow motion version of this video. So by doing so, let's go back into our photo gallery. You can see here is that video, and it has slowed down that entire video. So it's a fun way and an easy thing that you can do because most everybody has Instagram on their phone. You can always just take any of the videos on your phone, slow them down, use them wherever else that you want. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.